Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. All right, really excited. Today we are going to be going through the IPSY full size plus box. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you do. It's free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's really simple. All you do is press that red button that's right underneath this video and you're in. It just turned gray. Perfect. Thank you so much, because I need you guys to help me grow on the YouTube platform, and the only way that that can happen is if you subscribe to the channel. And it's free, and no one calls you, and no one writes you, but it is supporting me. So once again, thank you. Another good suggestion, just so you guys know, there is a bell that is beside that subscribe button. If you press it, YouTube will send you one email just notifying you that I uploaded a new video. I do that with other channels, and the reason is on this channel why it's important is I do a lot of videos, and some of them are about deals, so they're time sensitive. So this way, if you press it and you get that one email, it's also nice that you get something in your inbox to look forward to and know that I did upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. So this is the IPSY full size box. It's $25, and I get all three of them. So if you have watched previous videos, I did open up my bag that I got. The first box that I got in the month of November was the Ultimate, and I did really good this month. And then the second video in reference to IPSY was the bag. And then there'll be another video that you should have seen by now that is my add-ons that I put on the IPSY bag. There were so many cool add-ons that I wanted in the options that I had. IPSY on the second of the month tells you what's in your bags and in your boxes, and I go through those to make sure to see what they chose for me. And then whatever they didn't choose, I have the option to do add-ons. And the add-ons are either full size for $12 or $3 for the sample sizes. And sometimes in the sample sizes, they have some full sizes. And when they do that, I kind of like to grab those as well. So I make my own customized bag for $15, minus the bag, but just the products. And I add that on to these orders. So I did do one on the IPSY bag, and I did do 5 more in this box. But what I do is a separate video on that, and I call it my customization. So make sure to look out for that, because it will be the video that I'm probably going to film after this one. Okay, so box, let's open. Comes with the orange and with a card. I did open up this box to make sure that everything was inside of it that should have been and that nothing was broken. I also took the time to open up all the extra packaging that I seem to have difficulty on camera getting open. So because I opened it and checked, I decided that I would do that as well. So I saved you guys from watching me struggle on opening those plastics that cover the actual products. But I also found out when I opened it up that there was no card inside this one, again, with the actual details of the products, with their tips, and with the retail pricing. So I put my computer in front of me. It's on battery, so hopefully she'll be good and she'll last. So if you see me looking down, I'm just going to read the descriptions as well as the retail prices that are in the actual products that you have that you can learn more or review, and that's where I'm going to be pulling that information from. So all that's on this card is really just telling you Wild Side, and then telling you about the other dates that are important, which is the November 25th is going to be the choice day where you're going to be able to customize your products. They are having something on Black Friday on the 29th, and then something again on December 2nd, Cyber Monday. So that's all that's really on the card, and then a little bit about the Gigi Girl, who they did some collaboration. So I'm going to be going back and forth on that there. So this month, the theme of the bag was this animal print bag, which was a little bit smaller in the $12 bag, and then it was really huge train case that was in the Ultimate. But on this one, it's like I said, it's a little bit bigger, but it's the exact same design that was in the $12 one, but it is a little bit bigger. Same tassel, same zipper, same lining, same actual product. So really, really happy with this. I really think they stepped up on the bags, and pretty pleased with it. Okay, so the first item that is on my list here is from Ciate London. This is the packaging. I have been so impressed with Ciate London. I am in love with their loose powder, and this is another product for them. And we did have some choices, and I really didn't know if I wanted to choose this one or not, because we've been getting a lot of eyeliners that I've been enjoying from Hank and Henry, from other boxes and things. So I didn't choose it, and then it ended up being in my box. So that really made me happy. So the packaging with Ciate is just stunning. So this is what it looks like here, and then this is what the product looks like. Is that not gorgeous? Okay. All right, enough about the packaging. Let's see what the product is about. So one side is a liner, and the other side has this wing stamp. So I haven't played with this at all. I just want to read about it first, and then I didn't do any of this before you guys. I wanted to do it together. So let's see what this is. So this is called Ciate London. It's saying Courtney Act Stamp and Drag Liner. And it says it is a double-edge ended eyeliner. It was created in collaboration with a drag diva sensation, Courtney Act. One side is foolproof wing stamp, while the other side is a precise pointed felt tip pen. Simply stamp on the corners of each eye to give your wing, then line and drag with the pointed tip for a flawless wing look. You'll never worry about uneven eyeliners again. They don't know me. Okay, the artistic packaging couldn't be cuter. The box insert itself is even chic. It's a little angled wing and it will hold in pen in place. I love, love, love this packaging. Okay, so once you use this pen, it'll be hard to use anything else. The inky black formula is quick drying and dramatic, and that's all they have here. And ironically, I do not see a retail price on this. That is surprising. I don't know, I don't understand what they're doing. Okay, so this is here, and let's just do, I guess, a little mark here. Wow, that was really easy. This will be fun to play with. Okay, and then that's the other side here, and okay. It isn't a stiff point. It really has flexibility, and I love that. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Fun to play with this. Like I said, really disappointed that the card wasn't in here, nor the suggested retail. Let me just see if there's something on the first page. No, not there either. All right, okay, the next item is one that I picked for myself. This one is a 4 blushes, and it's what it says, it's 99% natural. It's from a company called Seraphine Botanicals, and it is 99% natural blush palette for all skin tones. It says it is a vegan blush palette. It says it's flattering on all skin tones, made of hibiscus flower extract. And they're saying these blushes also minimize oiliness and redness. That's interesting. It says it's, while slightly shimmer finish, these versatile shades add a healthy glow to your complexion. It's saying his hibiscus is a creamy rose shade, harvest is a golden nude, petal is a silky pink, and dewdrop is a rose gold. Although these blushes may appear dark in the pan, they apply sheer and are easily blendable and buildable. It says the creamy formula applies with a light finish, so you can gradually build up. And again, there's no price here, but I remember when I looked somewhere, when I was looking at this, and I think it was like $48 or something like that. So I'm really, really surprised that the suggested retails are not on here anywhere that I can see, and I apologize for that. I thought they would be. Okay, so has a sleeve. You open this guy up. There is no mirror, but there are these 4 colors here, and I'm gonna just do a quick swatch. Those are the first 2. And that's what they look like there. Do a quick little wipe, and the other 2. And that's what they look like there. Do them right beside. They're really pretty. Huh. They really look a lot darker in the pan. So really pleased with that. So, which means they're buildable, which is what I like, because there's nothing worse than putting something on and then you're trying to blend it out I prefer things that aren't so pigmented and then build upon it. So that's the second item here. The next item that is on the page here is from Gigi, which was the theme this month. And that's what it looks like here. And it says it's less is more lip gloss. Get into it. So let's see what she wrote here. It says this IPSY exclusive shimmer lip gloss is part of an exciting limited edition. It's in collaboration with a YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous. They're saying it is a sheer gloss which contains vitamin E, so the lips feel nourished and hydrated all day. Get into this sparkly sheer pink shade that delivers the perfect natural glow to your lips. It is a jumbo doe fit applicator, which we will see. It makes applying everything easier, and it's a total breeze. It's saying it is sleek packaging, it's iconic, eye-catching, and pays homage to Gigi's glam aesthetic. So let's see. So sad. Okay, here we go. I really wish there were some retail prices on this. Okay. Wow, it is a huge doe foot. All right, let's do it right now. Oh my God, this is gorge. Ah, that's what it looks like there. And that's it right up there. Oh my God, I didn't think it was gonna be this beautiful. I thought it was really gonna be like really, really sheer, and it's really got a nice amount of color. Really pretty. Okay, another win. All right, let's see what's next on the page here. And okay, this one made me a little bit nervous because the color is so deep, and I wanted to try to start wearing a couple of deeper colors because we've been getting so many of them. And let's see what this one is. This one is from a company called Belle en Argent. It says it's an Atelier cream lip color in Smoking on Screen. And let's go in here. It feels really heavy, like a really substantial box. So let's see when we open her. Oh yeah, it's really Art Deco. Look at this. Really, really pretty. Okay. Oh, and it has a magnetic closure. I like that. All right, so what they said here, and that's what the color looks like here. So see how dark it looks, and we'll know once we swatch if it's really that deep. But it says, we happen to think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick of all time. It's called Smoking on Screen. It is a deep berry shade with a blue-red undertone. I like when red lipsticks have blue undertones that complement a wide range of skin tones. One swipe of this bold lipstick will make you feel ready to take on the world. It's infused with natural oils like argan and jojoba, and this luxe formula delivers an ultra creamy texture with incredible smooth application. This gorgeous lip color is formulated with 0 parabens or alcohols, so you can swipe it without worry. That's really unbelievable. Okay, and it says this company doesn't test on animals, and that's that. Okay, so I don't want to open it too much, but let's see what we got here. Okay, that's one swipe, so it's not as severe looking as that. That is actually really, really pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one with 2 swipes over it to see if it darkens. So look at that. So that one lipstick, and you can do like that. Okay, good to know. All right, that's really, really pretty. And like I said, the packaging is stunning. All right, another good one. All right, and then the last item that I have in my box that I got in for the month of November from the IPSY Plus is this one called EVOLUE. I think it's Evolu Skincare. They're saying it is a hydrating serum. I did receive in my ultimate bag another item from this, but it wasn't the serum. I've been opening up and filming so much, I apologize. I can't even tell you which one it was. Oh, maybe I can check. I'll check after because I have the computer in front of me. I can know what I got in my other one. This one says it is a dewy skin savior. It's saying it has 3 different molecule weights of hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture to the skin for generous hydration. Like I've told you in the past, hyaluronic acid, do not be afraid that it says acid. Your body, it's fantastic. It plumps up your skin. It's great. with an instant plumping effect, fine lines and wrinkles are minimized. That's what hyaluronic acid does. So it says, dull skin, this serum helps revitalize tired skin for youthful look and glow. It's natural, cruelty-free, vegan-free. And this one has a price. It says full size value is $68. Okay, inconsistency. That's what IPSY stands for. Okay, so here we go. This is here. This is some higher end bottles. I know IT Cosmetics did this, and these are really great to travel with. Do not throw this part away. I'm going to show you. You take this off. It almost looks like a fingernail tip. But what this does is it locks in from the pump actually being able to press down. So make sure you take that off before you try. And then let's do some priming, and there it is. So it's a clear, it's a runny gel. So this is a really lightweight serum. So this, your skin should drink right in. Yeah, it's very lightweight, and it's got a lot of slip to it. So you need a very small amount to you'll be able to do your face, your neck with that little drop right down your neck to your décolleté, your whole chest area. Really exciting. So that's really cool. So while I have the computer here, I just want to double check. I'm pretty sure when I did it, it had more of a milky consistency, the other one that I had. And let me just go to my ultimate bag and see which one they gave me in there. Okay. Yeah, it was a super oil, and it also was a really light consistency, and it looked more milky. It reminded me a lot of my my Josie Marin milk product that I use of hers. And they're saying the other item, it's a creamy, lightweight oil, feels like a serum with no heaviness. It absorbs into the skin without feeling greasy, plus it's safe for acne-prone skin. So I'm just gonna have to look at their website and see which one to use first and which one to use next. But it's nice to be able to receive an actual product line that I've never heard about before, but I did try the other item and I did enjoy it. So excited for this one too. So to recap, that is all that I got in my box. This were my full-size IPSY bag. That is $25. And let me just go back and pull up what's in my Glam bag, and I'll just double check with you guys. So we got my Ciate eyeliner, we got the serum, we got a full-size beautiful lipstick, the GG lip gloss, which blew me away, and then of course my pick, which was the Hibiscus for powders of blush and bronzer. So that's everything that we got. So thank you for checking in. Thank you for joining me for this. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are enjoying my content and you do not want to leave a comment, just leave me a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot as well. And like I said, it's free. It's that red button that's right underneath. If it turns gray, you're in. That's as simple as it is. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care, and keep your eyes open for the next video that's going to be the add-ons. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.